good time. Yeah. And we gon' make you lose your mind. Woo. Everybody just have a good time. Clap. Party rock is in the house tonight. Oh. Everybody just have a good time. I can feel it. And we gon' make you lose your mind. Yeah. We just wanna see you
shake that.
In the club, party rock. Looking for your girl, she on my jock, huh? Now stop when we in the spot. Booty moving weight like she on the block. With a drink, I got to know. Top jeans tattoo, cause I'm rock and roll. Half black, half white, diamond now. Gang of money, opened up.
Yo, I'm running through these halls like Drano. I got that devilish flow, rock and roll, no halo. We party rock. Yeah, that's the crew that I'm repping on a rise to the top. No lead in our Zeppelin. Hey, party rock is in the house tonight. Woo! Everybody just have a good time. Yeah, and we gon' make you lose your mind. Everybody just have a good time. Let's go. Party rock is in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. Feel it, man. And we gon' make you lose your mind. We just wanna see you
Shake that.
every day. I'm shuffling. Step up fast and be the first girl to make me throw this cash. We get mine, don't be mad, now stop. Hating is bad. One more shot for us, another round. Please fill up a cup.
The ramp. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've got some big stars here, but I don't know their names. What is your name? Vivek. Okay, great, excellent. Oh yeah, the big star right there. Vishal and Imran have come, Bandra residents, to kick off this entire event, and we're going to ask them about their new movie, which is called...
It's a very long and complex title. It's called Matru Ki Bijli Ka Mandola. I don't expect you to get it right.
Bijli, I understand, is the name of a girl who used to be a model. What about the rest?
The rest, well, Matru is me. Mandola is Pankaj Kapoor, who could not be here today, unfortunately.
Okay, he's working on his own soapbox. But tell us a little bit about the movie. What's the movie about?
I'm sorry I cannot tell you, otherwise I would have to kill you.
Thank God. Vishalji, please come forward and let's talk to you a little bit because Imran is not being forthcoming. We're trying to sell this film. I've got some interesting questions here. Matru ki bijli ka mandola exactly hai kya?
पागलपन है, जैसे ये रेस पागलपन है, वैसे ही हमारी फिल्म भी पागलपन की है. और इसमें मस्ती है और ये 3 कैरेक्टर्स के नाम है, मटरू, बिजली और बंडोला.
Okay, fair enough. Once again, diplomatic answer. I've not understood what the film is about, but apparently it's great fun. Are we happy to see Imran and Vishal? Are we happy to see the new boys representing music channels from across India right in front of their red uniforms? Not so happy. Are we happy to see the security guards pushing each other? Are we happy to sit in the sun for the next 4 hours listening to me? Rude guys. Bandra is very dangerous, man. You're a Bandra boy.
Always.
You're a Haryanvi Bandra boy with an English accent. So common. Okay, yeah, we are. Okay, let's get on with it. Who is this very interesting character, Vishal sir, that you have got for us here? Who is this beautiful person to introduce us to this lovely pinkish model? And how female characters have changed over the years?
I think she is going to be the biggest star of Bollywood in the coming years. And she's the item girl of our film. And we wanted somebody really sexy, so we thought that...
And intelligent.
Yes, both.
Okay.
Rare combination.
I have only one question. When I see her alone here, I say, where are the others? Okay, doesn't matter. Imran, I'm really sorry. Are we ready now for a little...
Confiscate that mic.
Okay, are we ready to start this show? Because it's really hot and we don't waste people's time. So you two guys have been asked to flag off. If there are any more important VIPs here amongst your entourage who we don't know, please tell us and bring them forward, sir. What is your name?
Milan.
What? Milan, come forward. Ladies and gentlemen, Vishalji is going to launch Milan in his next film. Milan, just come forward. Don't act shy. He's going to be one of our biggest heroes. Milan, put your hands up. Wave to the crowd. Show your six-pack. Show your six-pack. Arey, dikhao, baba, dikhao. Paisa nahi hai, budget nahi hai. This is all we've got. Come on. Very good. Give a big hand to Milan. If she can be the heroine, why can't he be the hero? Fair enough. Thanks, Baba. Just joking, fooling around. And now the big guy with the flag, which is no metaphor for anything else. Please come forward and give sir the flag. Okay, you have to flag off. When I say flag off, I only mean flag off and nothing else. Right? Yes. Vishalji, you know what to do, no? No, I don't. Pointed path us taraf, please. Imran, I think Vishal wants you to do that. Okay. You're a man who holds a flag everywhere you go. Come on. Are we ready?
Go!
And flag off! I said just flag off! Okay, be careful. The cow is a sacred animal or bull. Please, don't come in the way.
गुल्ले की बेगी एगी का गुल्ला जब तंबू खोला तब गुल्ला में गुल्ला गुल्ले की बेगी बेगी का गुल्ला जब तंबू खोला तब गुल्ला में गुल्ला बल्ले वो बोला फिर मैं बोला रे मडरू की बिजली का मंडोला रे मडरू की बिजली का मंडोला मडरू रे मडरू मडरू की बिजली बिजली का मंडोला रे मडरू की बिजली का मंडोला
Hello, hello. Good morning, everybody. I hope you guys are having fun. Thank you all for coming here today. Media wale, hello. Introduce you guys to someone. This is the director of our film, Vishal.
I think I would like to introduce Imran and our item girl, Gul. I think she is going to be the star. Yeah, I think she is going to be the star of this Gulavo.
Hi.
I think it's entertainment and enthusiasm.
So basically, you're not really bothered. You've had a lot to drink and you're just going to sit through this. I understand. With us, a man wearing only one button, showing off his hairy chest. Mr. Vijayakar, we want to know, the audience also is experiencing this whole thing for the first time. So what is this whole race about? Because obviously not everyone is going to reach the finish line.
Well, you know, my experience with all kind of sporting events has been immense. and I'm going to be a very strict judge about everything that happens over here. And I'm going to take all my cues from the only person over here who knows the sport, Baluji over here. So whatever he does, I do.
Fair enough. And also, if the cameras can just show the judges, you can see Malini and Kunal are wearing nothing below. So obviously, they've not taken this show very seriously. But Balwinder Singh Sandhu, one of our World Cup heroes from 1983, and a man who will be able to... Famous celebrity